place to come. And let me show you something. There's a ride that you could take on one of the tractors out there. Okay, everybody, we are at Spring Ridge Farms here. As you can see, everyone's having a great time. And this is a beautiful farm out here that you can come to with your family to visit, to sample a lot of different activities here. And there you go, Spring Ridge Farm in Milton, Ontario. Now, farms like these often have a lot of different things that they have done for kids. So that, for example, there's tractors right there. You got all sorts of, there's a bear right there as well. And you got, you could feed the animals in there as well. So it's a cool place to come by and enjoy with family. And this is what Canadians do during summertime here, is visit all these beautiful farms. In the back right there is a nice escarpment. And as you can see, it's green. It's really nice out there. And, I hope you're enjoying this vlog, guys. And don't forget, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button if you like this video. The bell icon for more upgrades, and I'll keep on posting interesting adventures for you throughout the summer. So we're still at this really cool Spring Ridge Farm right here, Spring Ridge Farm. And as you can see, there's tractors in the back right there. There's a lot of cool stuff out here. So what they've done is they've tried to recreate a farm-like environment here so that everyone can come with their families and maybe try a tractor. Right there, try a tractor, or maybe just, go out and play in the hay right there as well. So you could do a lot of different things out here in this farm, and it's really a cool place to come. And let me show you something. There's also a ride that you could take on one of the tractors out there. So I wanted to show you something exciting that you could do at Spring Ridge Farm, and that is go down a hole right there, come out on the other end. Let's go. Okay, going in the hole. There we go. Yeah, that was fun. And you will really enjoy, the fact that they have tried to provide a very different thing for people in Canada, especially in Ontario when the weather is nice and you want to come out with your families and you want to explore nature. This is a really cool thing to do, is to visit a farm. So don't forget to visit farms in Ontario in summer, and I'll keep on bringing you some really cool vlogs. Again, if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to this channel. I told you I'll be bringing you original content, stuff that you don't necessarily see on a lot of social media channels. And would love to see your support, guys. Until next time, bye-bye from Canadian. See ya.